What's up, gang? Coach Giggs here. And today's message, we appreciate it that much more. I'm standing in the middle of the street here in LBI, one of my partner's favorite places. He tells me that he's been here a lot, that every summer he comes to the Fantasy Island amusement park. So I figured, let me get a shot here, appreciating it. When I posted some of my pictures of my challenges, or I should say my visits with Dolce here at the shore and LBI, a bunch of you responded back, oh my God, I miss it there. I can't wait to go back to LBI. How many of us have taken for granted so many things that we've done prior to this pandemic that now will mean that much more? And so that's the message today. We will appreciate all the little things that much more. So take time out right now and make a list of those things that you did prior to the pandemic that you took for granted, that were on autopilot, that now are special. I know this, there's nobody here over at Fantasy Island Amusement Park today, and there won't be anybody here for quite a while. And so those who go to this place regularly will now miss it. So that's the message today, gang. Let's appreciate those things that we've taken for granted each and every day. And when we do that, best life ever. Thanks for joining me. I got to get out of this street here because I could get run over. You hear the cars going back and forth. Let me get out of here. Ack, I love you. I love all of you. See you soon. Bye-bye.